Welcome to the City of San Diego Financial Management e-Learning, SAP Display Commitment Item Group Training. This instructional video shows how to use SAP to look up budget versus actuals report groupings for the commitment item accounting element or master data. Three other budgetary accounting elements, Fund, Fund Center, and Funded Program, each have a distinct transaction code or T code to look up its groupings. Groupings, or sets as they are sometimes known, allow users to view data grouped into one or more categories. You may recall the commitment item grouping in budget versus actual reports defaults to CSD1. In this training, we will explore the commitment item structure of CSD1. Knowing the display grouping T code allows users to easily and quickly see all the city structure or hierarchy of budgetary accounting elements instead of researching them through a budget versus actuals report. To access the commitment item grouping display T code, navigate to the folder where the T code is located. Click the User Menu button, and within the User Menu folders, click on FI Display and Reporting, then FM Display, and then FM Sets FI-PEX3, or Display Commitment Item Group. If you don't see the FI Display and Reporting folder, then you have not requested this SAP security role, or your job does not require the security role. Consult your supervisor if needed. Double-click on the T code to launch it. Alternately, enter T code FM Sets FI-PEX3 in the command field and click Enter. Before the Display Commitment Item Group initial screen appears, you may be prompted to enter the FM area. FM area must be set to CSD1. Enter a commitment item group value such as CSD1. Note that CSD1 is maintained by the Comptroller's Office and Financial Management. In the Master Data Information Prompt window, click Yes. CSD1 is the highest level node. The next level, or node, represents the city's account types, which are revenues and expenses. Each node has a key and associated text. For example, revenue is a key, and revenue happens to be the associated text. This node represents a collection of all the revenue accounts. Note, when the commitment item grouping revenue is entered in the budget versus actuals report, the report will return results for all the accounts under this revenue node. Similarly, if expense is entered, then only expense accounts will be queried. To expand a level, click on the plus sign next to each value. To collapse a level, click on the minus sign next to each value. The next level after commitment item type is commitment item group. Some examples of commitment item group are property taxes, personnel cost, and supplies. The next level after commitment item group is commitment item subgroup. Many revenue commitment item groups contain subgroups to help improve categorization. For example, parking citations is a commitment item subgroup under fines, forfeitures, and penalties. The last and lowest level detail is commitment item. For example, 417001 is the account to collect parking citation revenue. Commitment items are 6-digit numbers and are equivalent to general ledger accounts. To export the grouping to an Excel spreadsheet, in the menu bar, click Group and choose Save to PC File. Select Text with tabs and click the Continue button. In the next prompt, choose a directory to save your file and enter a desired file name. Click the Generate File to create the file. Click on the green back arrow button to exit the screen. In the Commitment Item Group field, users can enter a commitment item type, group, or subgroup, since these are groupings as well. Otherwise, click the green back arrow button once more to return to the SAP Easy Access screen. If you have any questions, please reference the work instructions posted on the Financial Management Department's intranet site or contact your Financial Management Liaison. This concludes the instructional video on how to use SAP to look up budget versus actuals report groupings for the commitment item budgetary accounting element or master data.